and Edgar Allan Poe is in love. You see, at this time, Edgar Allan Poe is 28 years old, and the young lady in question is named Virginia Clem, and she is 13 years old. Nevertheless, her mother approved of the marriage, and by all accounts, it was a happy life, and Edgar a devoted husband, till once again, tragedy visited the home. While entertaining some guests, Virginia began to cough, and when she pulled the handkerchief away from her mouth, there were drops of blood. The sure sign of a disease that had claimed the life of his mother and his adoptive mother, the disease of tuberculosis. And Edgar Allan Poe knew this was a death sentence.